Then mga sisi ko, ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Welcome back to my new vlogs.
New vlogs?
Yes, nandito po kami ngayon sa Vitusia Park. Ang daming tao mga sisi ko, nakakatuwa.
Is it in the beginning of the street, Hector?
Yes, is it?
No, it's wrong. I think it was somewhere here.
Punta nga pala muna kami ng bookstore kasi bibili ako ng book. Ko yung 48 Human Natures book. Pero halos lahat Bulgarian books ang available dito. Italia. Ito yung mga English books.
One eternity later.
Maganda ngayon maglakad-lakad.
We want to continue.
Convenient. Let's walk around first here.
Walk around?
Yeah. Ang daming tao dun banda. Oh. Tourist spot kasi banda dun.
Tourist spot?
Banda. That's why there's a lot of people.
Yes.
Yeah. And after that, let's go to the National Palace of Culture.
No, it's far away already.
It's far away? Okay. Just under the cathedral, Alexander Cathedral.
No, we can go walking to the Sofia University, and then take the metro from there to the NDK. If you want, then go around. You want?
Dobre?
I mean, it's a lot of walking, but if you don't want, we'll not go.
Yes, I love it. You're not busy, right?
Well, I need to study, but it's okay. For 1 hour, it's fine.
Yeah.
For 1 hour.
Push siya kay Marco. Already crossing by the Fifon.
Yes, but it's not here. Only green one.
Ang ganda dito mga sisi ko. Antayin natin mag-green. Tatawid tayo. Nandito nga pala tayo sa what we call that place?
Judicial Palace.
Judicial Palace mga sisi ko. Tigre yung design nila. Oh my God, mahal ko. Wait.
Just a happy dog now, so don't worry.
Ang laki kasi ng mga dog sisik eh. Kaya bigla na akong sakmal nun. Ah, sila yung owner.
Marco, give me a phone. For which breakfast she said? There is the how do you call it? The minaret of the mosque. This is the statue of Sophia.
Statue of Sophia, mga sisi ko, nandito tayo.
Yes. Yeah, but I think it's open for cars too. From the other side. Anyhow, we'll see. Yeah, it's open.
May nag-aaway pa yata.
Let's go from here.
Kung kasal, dito sila nagpo-photo. Pictorial. Dito mga sisi ko, walang gaanong tao. Haydi.
Okay. So as you see,
Pang Instagram.
in the left is the president. See? This is the ministerial council, council of ministers. The red building, you see, and this is the National Assembly here in this red building with the flag.
Pictorial. Pictorial for the wedding.
What is Victoria?
Pictorial. Ang ganda mong sisi ko ng bulaklak ko.
Yeah, the
Magpapa-picture ako sa asawa ko.
You might go into this. Never went to this park.
So, sabi ng asawa, 15 years daw siya dito nakatira, pero never daw siya pumunta dito.
Yeah, I'm so pathetic.
Sa National Palace
Well,
Park.
I don't like parks. What can I tell you? There is no reason to go alone and walking to the parks.
Yes, if you're alone. But if you have companion,
Yes,
it's okay.
it's different. But let's say I'm alone, I have work, blah blah blah. I'll go to the city center. Just this is the theater,
Theater.
the National Theater on the left. I'll show you.
Dobre. Ganito yung maganda talagang ambience sa mga puntahan na nakaka-relax mga sisi ko. Kahit maraming tao siya. Pero mga ano naman yung mga mabait naman yun. Kaya okay lang. Ito nga pala yung theater dito mga sisi ko. Ito mga sisi ko.
Yeah,
Dito maganda yan.
this is the
Theater.
People's Theater. Yes.
Yeah. Ito yung mga magandang mga puntahan dito. Ito yung mga tourist spot. Dami mga tao. Dito kami sa mga walang gaanong tao. Kasi dun sa may fountain, ang daming tao eh.
Do you know where the first theaters were built?
Where?
Which country?
Bulgaria.
No.
Italy. France. Paris. Greece.
Yes. It's probably the father of many of the modern things. Whatever you think, they think about it first. You make a good video?
Da.
Careful.
Maganda rin yan. Yeah, I love the ambience.
Yeah, me too.